Hello, I'm Lisa Mayo Haynes, Director of Technology Innovation, along with Ian Lopez, Manager, Technology and Innovation, and Jason Rogers, Legal Solutions Manager from Ballard Spahr. Today we're going to talk about drafting the perfect pitch, search and chat.
Unlike most of our legal departments, our intellectual property attorneys began managing their own request for proposal response process. The problem was that when a new RFP request came in, they had to look in multiple repositories, their internal RFP collection, in addition to those created prior by the firm's marketing department. Due to various naming conventions, the time span covered, and the multiple storage locations, it became difficult for them to easily find past RFPs, and attorneys were spending valuable time searching and recreating new responses. The IP department chair asked our client value and innovation team for help. They needed a more efficient solution. After project scoping and requirements gathering, the CVI team decided that the best option was to create a three-phased, large-scale document repository solution, which we named Ballard X-Ray. Ballard X-Ray ingests relevant documents from a SharePoint repository, allows the IP lawyers to search for content and identify relevant documents, and invokes a co-pilot to chat with their RFPs and create brand new content. The technology we utilized was Power Apps called through REST API endpoints, Microsoft's Document Intelligence, Azure AI Blob Storage, and OpenAI's chat functionality, all on our secure private Azure tenant.
In the back office document ingestion phase, our CVI team uses a Power App to ingest PDF and Word documents into Azure Blob Storage. We apply metadata tags to the documents with categories such as author, creation date, and practice area. Next, the system uses document intelligence to extract relevant information from each document in Markdown format and stores the extracted data in the respective extraction output path. Finally, our system chunks the data and generates text embeddings using Azure OpenAI embeddings model to save generated embeddings in Azure's AI search. In the user-facing intelligent search phase, our lawyers use a separate Power App to enter a search query in natural language that is passed to the search process. Ballard X-Ray Search allows user to find prior RFPs using keywords to further filter the documents by the metadata used in the ingestion process using tags such as author, year, practice area, and source. Ballard X-Ray retrieves the relevant RFP responses and combines that output with the query to show a preview of each RFP response along with citations. The results are sent back to the user so they can begin to chat with the documents if they wish.
In the search and chat portion of Ballard X-Ray, select which documents they want to interact with, up to 20 at a time. Ballard X-Ray generates the response text with citations using RAG technology and sends the response back to the user in a cohesive response. Ballard X-Ray not only allows our lawyers the ability to summarize the RFP responses into various formats, such as tabular or with bullet points, it will also find differences. It can create an entirely new RFP response based off the selected documents or whatever else you'd like. Aside from this technology, prompt engineering was key. Prior to granting our lawyers access to X-Ray, we educate them on how to interact effectively with ChatGPTs, along with a tip sheet of best practices and areas for caution. Ballard X-Ray has been a huge efficiency gain for our lawyers and is one of several tools that we present to them for such purposes. Our attorneys can quickly locate the information they seek, and it allows them to leverage past work product that has already been vetted and approved, and most importantly, used to win business. In today's presentation, we discussed using Ballard X-Ray to surface the best work product around successful RFP responses. Additional use cases could be for contract review and management, due diligence in mergers and acquisitions, and HR employment law, where contracts, policies, and compliance documents are being reviewed. We can leverage X-ray for practically any use case where up to 2,000 documents need to be ingested and reviewed using these best-in-class innovative technologies. Thank you.